Creating a YouTube channel is free. All you need to have is a Google account and a channel name. My name is Sanjay Bisht and today I am going to tell you how you can create a YouTube channel in just 5 minutes. But before that, I want to tell you why you must create a YouTube channel. YouTube is the second largest search engine where people watch millions of videos daily. So if you don't own a channel on YouTube, you are missing the chance of attracting a large audience. Above all, YouTube gives you a chance to become a star content creator. You must be aware that slogan of YouTube is broadcast yourself. So start your channel, grab your camera, shoot your videos and showcase your talent by uploading them on your channel. If you are new to my channel, please hit like and subscribe to it. Let's move on to my computer screen. So we can create YouTube channel in two ways. First, we can create it with using a new Google account, and second, we can create with an existing YouTube channel. In this video, I am going to cover both these methods. So let's move on to my browser. So I have created a new email ID and I'm going to log in so that we can see how we can create a fresh YouTube channel with a new Google email account. So as you can see, I have logged in using a fresh email ID sanjaybistvlogs@gmail.com. How you can create a good email ID, I have given description in this video. You can check it out. So log into youtube.com. After logging into YouTube account, click on the icon on the right hand side. On the first line, you will see create a channel. Click on this. Now you can name a channel name. So I am naming it as Sanjay Bisht Vlogs. So this is my channel name. So when you are adding a channel name, make sure it is precise, short and easy to remember. You can also upload a picture, which I'll do it later. So you can click on create a channel. So I'm done. My channel name is Sanjay Bisht Vlogs. So you can upload your first video by clicking on this blue icon, or you can also customize your channel using this tab. So here you can use your anything. Here you can add your basic info or description about your channel. So this is how we can create a YouTube channel with using new Google email account. So as you have seen that I have created a fresh YouTube channel by the name Sanjay Bisht Vlogs. Now move on to the second step. So let's see how we can create a new YouTube channel using this YouTube channel. For this, you need to click on customize channel. Then this page will appear, channel customization. You need to go to the left hand side and on second last option, that is settings options. Then on the second option, you need to move on to the second option, that is channel. On the right hand side, you need to click on the second option, which is advanced settings. Then you need to scroll it down. Then there is another option which says other setting, and you need to click on first option, that is manage YouTube account. On the manage YouTube account, you will see under your channel there is a second option which says create a new channel. So you need to click on this. So now you can create a new YouTube channel under the channel name Sanjay Bisht Vlogs. So I'm naming the new channel name, that is Career Guruji. So you need to click on I understand that I'm creating a new Google account with its own settings. Click on create. So here we go. We have the second YouTube channel by the name of Career Guruji. Now let me show you the first YouTube channel account. You need to click on switch account. So now you can see that my main account is Sanjay Bisht Vlogs@gmail.com. There is one YouTube channel and there is another YouTube channel under the same account by the name of Career Guruji. So that's all for now. Do like and subscribe my channel. Hope you like this video. My upcoming video will be about uploading the first video on the YouTube channel. Thanks for watching.